mechanical engineer, and I went to the UK. I went to Imperial, and it's a completely science engineering based school, so it was fairly easy for me to find the classes I needed, and they're kind of on a quarter trimester system too, so that made it easy. Well, I'm saying it's like easy, but I agree, like, talk to your professors. I got all my classes pre-approved before I left, so I knew they would apply to my major, and so I'd be covered. I ran into a couple of problems. If anyone's looking to go to Imperial, they don't care about prerequisites in the major, so I could take any chemical engineering class I wanted, but I wanted to take a mechanical engineering math class because their maths are slightly different than the math at UCSB, and they wouldn't allow me to take a class from another major, but I could take any chemical engineering class I wanted. So what I just did is I switched some classes that I would have taken my senior year at UCSB with math classes. So that all worked out. I chose the UK because I wanted to go to a big city. So I was between Edinburgh and Imperial, because Edinburgh I could only graduate, if I went I could only go for the semester if I wanted to graduate in 4 years, whereas Imperial I could go for the entire year. And everyone I talked to basically said if they went for only half the year, they wanted to stay and go for the whole year. So if I could make it work, I wanted to do that. London's a great place to spend a year. It is very different than anything I've experienced in Southern California because I've never lived in a big city. And there's just so much to do and see in London. I spent a year there, and I don't think I saw everything to be seen. And you find places you love, you want to go back, but you're like, no, I want to see new places. The academics was they don't have any homework really. I think only 2 of my classes had any homework that applied to my final grade, and if it did, it was 10, maybe 15%, and just like 1 homework assignment. So everything comes down to the final grade. They do have exams, like kind of benchmark exams around Christmas, which I recommend like studying for and taking. You can't actually sit in the exam, but I would pretend like you are going to take the exam and take the exam, because if you wait till spring, it's a lot of stuff to learn.